Yes.
Yeah, yes.
Okay. So yesterday we have discussed the topic flexible duct and all. Okay. Now today I'll discuss the color scheme for duct based on flow and velocity.
Okay.
Okay. Color scheme for duct based on flow and velocity. So yeah, this one is the duct we have now. Ducting layout.
Yes.
So after creating the ducting layout, did the ducting color scheme. Okay. So for that, what you have to do, just copy, duplicate this one. Okay, duplicate with detailing. If you have any detailing tagging, then you can do with duplicate with detailing. Otherwise, duplicate also will work. Okay, if you haven't any no annotation tagging, then you can use duplicate this one symbol. Okay, this one we'll discuss after dependent.
Okay.
So here we have created a duplicate one, this one. Now this is the ground floor, na entry level. So you can write it as entry level color duct layout. Okay, because we are giving the color scheme in this one. Okay, so go to this view tab, in analyze. Yeah, so in analyze we have this called the duct lead. Yeah, duct legend. Okay, select this one. Now he'll ask no color scheme. Select this, click on this side, and he'll ask duct color fill with flow or velocity. So we are taking first with velocity. Click OK. So this have assigned the color. This is not showing the color because it is covered with the insulation. Okay, so we can remove the insulation. Just remove the insulation. Select this one. Check none. Ducts and fitting. Apply. Okay, and here remove insulation. Okay, now it is visible now.
Mhm.
So this is based on the velocity. Okay, what you can do in this
So
one.
these color schemes are automatically
Yeah,
taken
automatically assigned.
by Revit. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So what happens if it's a red zone? So we have to do some modifications there. Or?
Just with one thing. That's two. Mm, yeah, yeah. What you are asking?
Now the color schemes, there is something red also. Are we have to do some modifications there if it's red, or why we are doing this?
No, no. Just select this one, and here is the option
Mm-hmm.
for edit scheme. Okay,
Okay.
edit scheme. So here you can customize the color as per your requirement. Also, you can change the color as per your system type. Okay,
Okay.
suppose you have taken with the velocity. Okay, now you can take with the flow also or the lining type. Lining means the thermal lining that we have done na?
Yes.
Lining thickness also. So if you have a big layout, you have different lining thickness on different duct.
Mm.
Okay, so based on the lining also you can create a layout. If you check here with the velocity, sorry, flow, select the flow. Now here you can see by value and by range. If you select by range, so it will select a range 0 to 200, 0 to 20 cfm, but by value is most preferred 0. Okay, fine. Apply. So this is by flow. So from this you can calculate that this one is having 1200 CFM and this one is having 300 CFM and this color is having 600 CFM. Okay.
Okay.
So this was the color schemes for ducting. Okay, next we have color scheme for spaces. Okay, based on tonnage or CFM. So for spaces, just go to this level and duplicate this. Okay, and name it as entry level. Yeah, space 01 color layout. Okay, now what you have to do in this, go to this color fill legend, select this one, click here, scheme for spaces, click OK. Here is zones also, and rooms are for architecture one. Okay, and zone, if you have created a zone, you have created a zone here, na? So we'll look after. First, we'll look with the spaces, then we'll look the HVC zone. Click OK. Okay. Yeah. Mehboob.
Yeah.
So in this, you can customize this also. This is taking based on the room name. Okay. The room name, the color is taken by the room name. You can customize it.
Okay, we can customize this according to our.
Yeah, you can customize this with the tonnage or CFM also.
Okay.
Okay. Suppose we have selected this, na, scheme 1.
Okay.
So it is taking by the name.
Now
you can customize it with the cooling load, design cooling load, calculated cooling load. Calculated means which is calculated by this software. Okay.
Okay.
So by value we have taken, we also take by range, but by value is okay. You can change the color from here also. If you want to assign any other color, you can assign. And you can change the fill pattern also. Okay, fill pattern, but solid fill is okay. Now click, we have just give the title as tonnage or the cooling load. Cooling load. Apply. Okay. Now from this you can see these colors are having the specific tonnage. Okay. This color, and so like say this color is having the 7 ton. Now just select this space. And you can see from here you have the design cooling load as 7 ton. Okay.
Yeah.
Or the calculated cooling load. So this was the and also you can edit this one by calculated supply airflow. Okay. Now you have by supply airflow selected by volume, calculated or supply supply. Yeah, understood.
Yeah.
So just leave here. because that is why we have created a separate view for this one. Okay, we don't have to make changes in this one. This is our working view, which is separate, and this is the color layout for ducting and space. Okay. Next is duct tagging and to modify a duct tag. Yeah.
Okay.
Tagging means just to denote the size, okay, size and the bottom of the duct, okay, bottom elevation of the duct and the CFM also. So for tagging, go to the annotate tab. Okay, go to this annotate tab, and here we have the option for tag by category.
Okay.
Okay, select this one, and when you hover the mouse over this, it will show you the sizes. Okay, yeah, the settings for option bar here are here. If you don't want the leader, just uncheck this one, and it will don't have the leader one. Okay. Now if you check the leader, we have two options for leader, attach end and free end. If you take the attach end, you cannot customize this leader line. Okay, you cannot change this. If you select the free end, you can tag this from here to here. Okay.
Okay.
Also, you can, if you are taking the attach end, you can specify the length of this leader. If you take as 20, the length of the leader will change. Or if you take only 5 mm, and it will small. Okay, this is the leader length.
Okay.
Okay. Also, if you are tagging this one, you can also customize this leader line. How to customize? Just select this one and go to this edit type. Okay, here we have the leader arrowhead. Now we are not having any kind of arrowhead, no, just a single line. So you can also customize the arrowhead. Go to this edit type and select the arrowhead. Arrow 30-degree will see the arrow filled 30-degree. Okay. So this was the tagging. Tag by category. Similarly, you can tag all the ducts. Now, this is
Only size, and we can get the CFM also.
yeah. Just I am telling you,
Okay.
you can tag any parameter that you want.
Okay.
Okay. And now, if you want to tag the BOD of the duct, BOD. So just select this tag, or if just check if you have loaded in your family. When you are tagging this one, here we have the option called tags, loaded tags. Okay. Click this one and go to the duct. So here we have loaded only duct size tag. Okay.
Okay.
Just select this one. We have loaded one duct system abbreviation. Okay. If you select this one, click OK. Then system abbreviation that we have defined in the family is supplier, ऐसे.
Yes.
Okay. So this was how to change. But if you want a composite, if you want a composite tag, means the size also, the system abbreviation also, and the BOD also.
Yeah.
Okay? So for that you have to change the family of this tag. Okay. How to change? Just go to, just select the tag, select the tag, go to the edit family. and edit family.
Mhm.
Now select this one. When you select this one, we have the option called edit label. Okay,
Okay.
just like this one. From here you can select the parameters you want. Na? Just select
Okay.
this one. When you select this one,
Mhm.
just click this green arrow. Okay, we have.
Okay.
When you click this, this will enter into this parameter box.
Okay.
And you want the flow also, no?
Flow
Yeah,
and
length is required for the construction. Length of the duct.
okay.
Okay, bottom elevation we have, size we have, and length of the duct we have. Okay, then click apply. Click OK. Load into the project. Okay, now it is. You have to make it. This is not looking good, na?
Yeah.
So okay, just select this one. Go to the edit family. Select this one. Go to this edit label. Now you can check here break so that it will start from the next line. Okay.
Okay. Mhm.
Okay. Click apply. Now click apply. Click OK. Load into the project. Go right to instant. Okay. Now we
Mhm.
how to know this is the BOD and this is the length. Okay, we have,
Mhm.
if you give this drawing to the fabricator or the engineer at the site, how you will know that this is the BOD and this is the length.
Length.
So
Yeah.
just to confirm this, go to the load family, edit label. Here is the option for prefix and suffix.
Yeah.
Here you can write BOD dash, and here you can write LE line. Okay,
Mhm.
click apply, click OK, load into the project. Okay,
Yeah.
Okay.
now
But it look bigger, right? Means we
yeah, yeah,
can't.
just wait, I'm customizing, you know, step by step I'm trying to make you understand.
Mhm.
That's why here you can select the duct size as millimeter, common, just give them a millimeter.
From where you took this project unit? It's unit.
Yeah,
Can you do that, sir?
yeah, what
The project units.
project unit,
It's
yeah,
a U.
UN
UN. That's the one. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
PC and duct size, give it to none, click OK.
Okay. Got it.
Okay, now just to customize the size also, just select this one, go to the edit family, select this one, and here is the option for edit now. You can change it from here also, but we haven't loaded, just change, but you can manually customize. Go to this edit type, and here is the text size. Okay, text size, make it 1.5, and tab size, make it 8.5. Just check. Okay, you have to make it much smaller also. Edit family, select this one. Once it has been sized, no need to change afterwards. Okay, firstly only you have to do this one.
Okay.
0.8. Now it is okay, no?
Yeah.
So similarly you can tag, create similar, just will be the free. When you click over, this line will become script. You understood?
Yeah, yes.
So this is how you can customize the duct size. There are many settings in this in the appearance of this text. For the appearance, you can also change the appearance also. Appearance means the font style, text font you want to change. Okay, color of the text, line weight, background.
Yeah.
Okay,
Hmm.
if you have any doubt, you can ask. Just these are small things. Do just the appearance of the text, that is the tag. Okay, underline, bold, italic, width factor. Okay, so these things also you can do. Show border means it will show the tab. Just check this one. Apply. Okay, down into the project. Okay, this one.
Okay.
This
Hmm.
one. So, okay, but we don't need this one. Go to select this one. Check this one. Also, you can change the color to red. Apply and yeah. Do you have any doubt? Okay, na?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Next we have air terminal tagging. Duct tagging we have completed and this modification also. Air terminal tagging and to modify its tag. So for air terminal, just select the similar same process that we have. Tag category. Okay. Just hover the mouse. Now if you want to modify this, just we have the standard procedure for this air terminal tagging. We just I want to write here SD also. SD stands for supply diffuser. Okay. In the standard annotation of this air terminal, we have SD. After that, we write the air terminal number, and below this we write the CFM of this air terminal, because the CFM is this diffuser is delivering 300 CFM, na?
Hmm. Yeah.
So the tagging is uh, the the short abbreviation. After that, we have the air terminal number, and below we have the CFM. So we need to modify this one. Just select this one. Go to the edit family. Okay. So this one is okay. Just we have to select this one. Edit label. Here is the mark, which is okay. We have to just put it a prefix called the SD. SD for supply diffuser. Okay. Click go into the project. Okay. Now there is a SD1. Now when you tag this one, you have SD2. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. One thing also. Just select this one. Delete. We have uh, an option called the tag all category. Okay. You don't need to manually tag each of the terminal. Here we have the tag all. No? Tag all.
Okay.
In tag all, you want to tag the diffuser tag. Okay. Just like this one, and check this one only. If you want leader, then you can check this one. Okay, if you are checking this one, you can specify the length of the reader. Tag orientation means this is the horizontal orientation. If you want to be vertical, then select the vertical. Okay. Now in this case, we are not checking. Just click apply. Click OK. Okay. all the tags are tagged automatically. Okay. Any doubt?
The sizes of diffusers. So, but again, we'll have to edit the.
Sizes of diffuser.
Yeah.
Hello. That we create.
Yeah.
Actually, the standard procedure for that, we don't show the sizes of diffuser in the layout.
Okay,
Okay,
that'll be the BA.
okay. We show the sizes in the air terminal schedule.
Okay.
So we
Okay.
create a separate schedule for air terminal. That in that will show the sizes. For
Okay.
tagging an air terminal, this is the standard procedure. First the abbreviation and the number and the
Understood.
CFM below.
Okay.
Okay. You can also tag the size in the similar process. Just add the
Okay.
size parameter also, and you can see the sizes. Because the drawing
Okay.
will become much more complicated because it will uh, take the space now.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll schedule that in the air terminal schedule. We'll show the sizes.
Okay.
Okay, so okay, we have completed this one. Tagging also we have completed. Equipment tagging. Equipment tagging means we have this equipment. We just select tag by category. Okay. Okay. Now you select this one. Okay. This is the mechanical equipment tag. From where it is taken, just select this one. FCU. And here you can see the mark. Mark 1. Na? This mark is taking as the tag. Now, if you want to change this is the FCU01. Na? FCU01. So you can write here FCU-01. And you will change here. Automatically the name will change because this is taking from the mark of this equipment. Okay.
Yeah.
In this, what you have to do, you have to change the border size. This one. That you can change. Na? Go into the edit family and change this border size. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So this was the equipment tag. Next we have creating a duct BOM. BOM means, you know BOM?
BOM means building of
Bill of materials.
bill of material. Yeah.
Okay. Now after creating the whole duct layout, okay, of this flow, next we'll create the duct BOM, bill of material. For that bill of material, first we need the bill of quantities, na?
Yeah.
Bill of quantities. Quantities means the total quantity of the duct. Okay.
Yeah.
So for that we have the scheduling option. Scheduling. Go to this analyze tab. Analyze. Yeah. In analyze tab, you have the option for schedule and quantities. Na? Just click this one. And in that we have ducts. Okay. Click OK. Yeah, listening, Abu?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. So after selecting the duct, just select the parameters that you want in the schedule. Okay. Like
Okay.
I want the area. Bottom elevation is not required for scheduling. Diameter if you have the round duct. Family type, just to know the type of duct that we are using. And friction height required. Insulation thickness if you are insulating, but we have removed the insulation, don't need. Insulation type, lining. You also need the width. Okay. When selecting all the fields that you need, click OK.